Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice shadow black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle also comes equipped with the convenience package, and taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice backup camera right there, and moving to the sides, we do have a roof rack for all your cargo necessities. Nice blind spot detection right there. And moving to the front, we do have that nice license plate bracket and that Bronco grille. This vehicle also comes with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. This vehicle also comes with a back glass opener, which provides you with access to the top part of your cargo, which makes your life pretty easy. And we do have the door opener for right here, providing you with a ton of storage. We do have little storage cubbies all around the back. You can turn your lights on or off, and of course if you need more you can always collapse that row. LED lights, 12-volt outlet, and more hooks. And lifting this up, we do have a fair bit of storage underneath with the spare tire. And taking a look on the interior, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. And we have this nice black and gray cloth interior. And of course, if you don't need that extra person in the back, we have 2 cup holders and some arm space. And this part of the seats is leathered, which is pretty nice. A USB and a USB-C down there. Plenty of door space as well, with some gray accents. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space as well, with the same gray accents, your trunk opener, and your lights right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 8.3 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, your toggle for your main menu up there, voice and phone and media controls, volume and mute, and your cruise control right there. Come on. Now looking at your main screen, there we go. We have trip 1, 2. You have my view, which kilometers, digital speedometer, fuel economy, calm screen, driving assist, what radio station you're currently on, phone, information, such as seatbelt, tire pressure, and so on and so forth. Trip 1, one sec, trip 2, and so on and so forth. And looking beside me, we do have 2 cup holders, your gear shifts right there, parking brake, and your GOAT modes. For your GOAT modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. Now looking over here, you do have that nice leather-wrapped center console, which opens up, providing you with another USB and USB-C, and a fair bit of storage. Come on. We do have a wireless charging pad right there, fair bit of storage with a USB and a USB-C, and a 12-volt outlet right there. We do have heated seats, dual climate, engine stop and start, storage right there, your auto stop, auto start, hazards, media controls, and your main screen with your what station you're currently on, compass, and phone. Audio, which we do have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, any apps you do have downloaded, settings such as FORDPASS, phone, your Wi-Fi hotspot, valet mode, so on and so forth. And this vehicle is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And we do have a garage door opener right there, which is pretty nice. And of course, storage in the glove compartment. The stock number for this vehicle is RE57581. And if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.